Welcome to the FHIR-Men's presentation on their project, the expansion of biomarker integration with online fitness tracker for Walk, Georgia. This presentation can be viewed on YouTube at the link provided. One functionality of the Walk Georgia website is to track the fitness activities of its users. These activities can include swimming, hiking, and even things such as frisbee. The user manually records the difficulty, time, and distance of the activity, which is converted into a points value. These points are used to give an objective qualitative value of the exercise performed and can be used to track progress towards individual goals. Groups are also allowed to participate on the site. Challenges can be created for its members, with the points being used as a measure for those challenges. As stated previously, these activities are manually recorded by the users. What Walk Georgia would like to do is integrate the data collected by applications already being utilized by the users. For this project, they are looking to download the data from Fitbit and MyFitnessPal. When researching Fitbit, we found that they provided a RESTful API to access user data. OAuth 2.0 authorization code grant would need to be utilized to request permission from the user to share their data. As you can see from the screenshot, there's many different types of information that is accessible. We assume that the activity and exercise data will need to be shared, but after talking with the external mentor, we may need more. The application will need to be registered with Fitbit to obtain an access key to the API. Tasks other than access include creating a mapping between the Fitbit activities and the Walk Georgia activities so that proper points can be assigned, and the creation of a nightly cron job to download the user data. Unfortunately, MyFitnessPal has a closed developer network, so we could not get any integration information. We've applied for this access but have not received a reply yet. We found that there is functionality for users to export data, but that is only available with their premium application. We felt this would not be a viable solution. The technology of last resort would be screen scraping, so we're hoping that to find out next week when talking with our external mentor that they already have received access to the developer network. Some of our concerns for this project include working with Walk Georgia's pre-developed technology. Looking at the website, we can see that it was developed in PHP and that Foundation Responsive UI was used, but we are unsure of the database and any other technologies that are utilized. Performance could be another issue when dealing with the nightly polling of data. Walk Georgia states they have over 100,000 registered users. Of course, not all these people will be utilizing the fitness app integration, but we should look into their infrastructure and make sure that what we develop can be handled by their current system. Tied to this is how much initial data we will be gathering. The biggest concern, though, is how to integrate with MyFitnessPal, especially if we need to screen scrape. Screen scraping is a fragile solution at best. As you can see by the embedded project plan, we have put in all the milestones stated in the syllabus and fleshed out the tasks for the current and next deliverables. This will be updated for each deliverable. One thing to note, we have a standing Saturday evening meeting, which is not reflected in the schedule. Before our next deliverable, we will be meeting with our external mentor, downloading and reviewing the Walk Georgia codebase, and developing a spike for the Fitbit and MyFitnessPal integration. We look forward to developing this project and thank you for your time.